Welcome back to Google Class. Hello student, how are you? I'm James here. Last class we discussed about section 108, rights and liabilities of lessor and lessee. Okay. So under section I'll give you one case law. What is the lessor rights? Okay, in favor of lessor rights. The Kattayayani Devi. The name is Kattayayani Devi versus Udayakumar. Okay, here Udayakumar is a lessor, Kattayayani Devi is a lessee. The about brief of the case, Udayakumar was the owner of the certain property. Okay, he had entered into the agreement to let it to Kattayayani Devi. What is agreement? Here, lessor is a Udayakumar, Kattayayani is a lessee. Okay, she is a tenant as per the lease. Kattayayani Devi. So, both they entered into a contract. The rent was fixed at acre. She was put in possession of the property. Later, she found that some of the property was under the occupation of third person. That means trespasser. She refused to pay the rent as she was not handed over the complete property also. She based her argument depending upon English common law, that is suspension of entire rent for failure of partial non-transfer of interest in the property. In case the rent was not suspended, at least the abatement of rent should be allowed. As the lessor breached the covenant and did not provide protection from the trespasser. This is a main concept. What she is presenting before the court. The lessor breached the covenant and did not provide protection from the trespasser. The trial court observed and gave judgment in favor of her, in favor of Kattayayani Devi. Okay. Then the lessor filed before the High Court. The High Court entirely reversed the judgment of the trial court. What the Privy Council of the High Court gave judgment in favor of Udayakumar is the lessor. Okay. What is the principle followed by the High Court? Because all the High Court followed only record of the court and giving inherent power and verifying rules of the court. Okay. So in this provision, the principle stated that since the rent was number one, since the rent was fixed per acre, there is no question of application of common law, English common law, rule of suspension of entire rent. Number two, the Privy Council held that as there was no breach of the covenant for quiet enjoyment, since that covenant does not protect the tenant against the acts of trespassers. Number three, where a trespasser involves on the leasehold, it is the duty of the lessee to protect his leased property. The law provides sufficient legal remedies to the lessee for evicting the trespasser. The last principle, the lessee did not make any demand the lessor to evict the trespasser. She kept for all the time until the rent accumulated to higher amount and then she took the plea of rule of suspension of rent. There is negligent and latch means delay on the part of the lessee. Okay, so this is the main reason the principle was seen by the Privy Council. Okay, so the High Court gave judgment in favor of Uday Kumar. Here Uday Kumar is a was a lesser. Okay, he is a owner of the person. Okay, students, this a simple example case. If sometimes the examination will be this type of question will be asked, you can write it the same case law. That's enough. Okay, student, see you, bye, thank you.